Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Fixing a lens error on your Nikon Coolpix S3000 is a common task for many camera owners. This error usually happens when the lens becomes stuck or blocked by tiny particles. You can often fix this issue at home with a few simple steps. First, check your battery levels immediately. A weak battery may not have enough power to move the lens assembly. Charge the battery fully and try to turn it on again. Second, perform a basic hard reset. Remove the battery and the memory card from the camera body. Wait for at least 1 full minute before putting them back inside. Turn the power on and see if the lens moves correctly now. Third, look for any grit or sand stuck in the lens rings. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any visible debris. Fourth, try to gently tap the side of the camera frame. Sometimes the internal gears just need a small nudge to align properly. Use the palm of your hand for a very soft tap. Fifth, you can try to guide the lens manually. Turn the camera on and gently pull or push the lens barrels with your fingers. Do not use too much force or you might break the delicate plastic parts. Sixth, check the camera menu settings. If you can access the screen, try to reset all settings to factory defaults. This can clear minor software glitches. If none of these steps work, the internal motor might be broken. You may need professional repair services. Most of the time, a simple cleaning will solve the problem completely.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.